What's up, guys? Starting this video off in the middle of an order. I came to get gas and run a couple errands. I was logged into the app and then accepted a local Wendy's order for over 10 bucks, so that's pretty decent. Wendy's is usually pretty slow, but just gonna roll the dice with them.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing well. Picking up a Grubhub for Cassie.
Okay, we got you checked in. Come on up.
Thank you.
Hello. Order for Cassie. Alright, here's the order. Okay. Yep.
That's all of it?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
Yep, have a nice day.
You too. Let's rock and roll, baby. Very easy money on a Sunday. I probably won't get many other orders. I've been logged in all day. It's a little surprising because it's actually very cloudy, chilly. I was hoping people would be staying home today and ordering in, but it doesn't seem to be the case. Fast forwarding a couple hours here, I am right back at Wendy's.
Sorry about that wait. They can choose a Wendy's. Order whenever you're ready.
Picking up a Grubhub order for Drake.
Drake.
Yep.
Go ahead and pull up to the second window.
Okay. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello.
How are you?
Doing well, and you?
Good. Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Have a good one. Walking into Yum Sushi for a very low value order, but I was already in the area, so I figured why not. Hello, picking up for Jake.
Jake?
Yeah. Thank you. You won't believe it, I am back at Wendy's. This is my third time here today. This is a super low value order. It's not even $5.50, but nothing great was coming through, so I figured why not.
How can I get through?
Picking up a Grubhub order for Jessie.
Give me one moment.
Sure.
What's the name? I'm sorry.
Jessie.
Jesse. Right, we'll have that for you at the second window.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Hello. Pretty good. How are you? Thank you so much. Have a good one. Walking into G's Tacos. Deja vu, right? Is that for Linda?
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good one. Thank
You too. Another successful delivery. Before I arrived here, I accepted another order back at State House. Low value, but as long as these orders keep coming in, I'm gonna be looking pretty decent on money. Picking up for Justin. Let me slide that right on in. Thank you so much, appreciate it.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good.
Hey, our Grubhub order's gonna arrive soon.
Sweet.
Ta-da!
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Sir.
You too.
Take care.
Okay.
Guys are going back into State House. We're on fire. Charlie? Yeah. All right. Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Just rolled up to Popeyes. Getting really consistent work from Grubhub. This has been nice. Picking up a Grubhub order for Isaac.
Okay, go ahead and come to the window.
Thank you. Leaving you guys here for a second. Sit tight. Hello again. I'm trying to get home to watch WrestleMania. Orders keep coming in though. I'd rather make the money. I was home for about 5 minutes and then another order came in that I couldn't refuse. About $19, taking me way into Brighton, but it should be a pretty easy drive. WrestleMania is just gonna have to wait. Picking up for Dorothy. Dorothy. Thanks, you too. That's a successful delivery. We're in Old Brighton now, baby. Poor houses and rich history. On the way here, I did get another order. It's for a restaurant I haven't been to, 3 margaritas. But the good news is it's taking me back to my general neighborhood. Hey, is this for Suzanne? Perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You as well. Guys, I made it to WrestleMania. This is it. This is how you watch TV when you have a 2-year-old. Ow. Ow. In this video, I had a total of 3.5 hours of app time. I grossed $98.54. I spent $9 on gas. That takes me to an hourly rate of $25.58. Not bad at all. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button on the way out. I'll see you next time. Bye.